What's up, everybody? This is Chris at iPhone Restoration, and what I'm showing you here today is a custom iPhone. It's been changed up a little bit. Obviously it has the hot pink glass on it, front and back. The sides have been polished out to a mirror shine. So it's really highly reflective. So you can see my finger there. It's kind of might be a little bit hard to tell in the video, but it's definitely very custom and different. You know, nobody else's phone would be like this, I'm sure, wherever you were at. The whole thing, top, bottom, buttons are all polished out to mirror shine. Upgraded the back with the hot pink. Now if hot pink isn't really your thing, we have different colors for you as well. So, move this off to the side here. We have, these are just the backs, but the front is just the same color. Got this like light baby blue. This one's like a light pink. It's gonna be hard to tell maybe on the video, but if you look on the website you should be able to see that they're very different. If you go on Facebook, you can check on the pictures in the albums here, and there's a color change section that you'll be able to see. Unfortunately, you can't see it right now. There's like that, it's like a kind of a pastel yellow, a Monster Energy green. It's pretty cool. A lot of people get that. It's like a fire engine red color. And remember, these are all the front and the back for any iPhone 4 or 4S, whether it be AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, T-Mobile, whatever one you have. You can order them on our website at iPhoneRestoration.com. Check us out on Facebook. You can also, ask us there and order them. You can send your phone in, have it polished, have the color change put on. It was orange. Here's the hot pink again. Here's a mirror. You can see the fan. Now these are kind of new, and just by the way, all these do have clear plastic on them, so if they look weird, like maybe a bubble or something, there is a, that one didn't. There is a clear plastic on there. That blue is really nice. Now these are a bit different. These are something new and custom. This is like the camouflage blue. And they all say, they all have the original badging and everything on there. You got the camouflage green. A zebra. This one's really cool. And here you can see the, even on these, they perfect match. And this fits, like I said, any iPhone 4 or 4S, any carrier that you have. These are a little bit different. You have like a pink leopard here. Some more leopard white. So we also have clears. I don't know if you can see these or if the camera is going to even be able to focus on them, but they are clear. You can see right through. It's hard to see. Let me turn that autofocus off. You just have the frame part. You can either have it in white or black. And then, of course, we always have the basic black and white, or maybe even a custom Steve Jobs one. with his years on there. So any of this interests you, be sure to check out on Facebook. These are some of the pictures here that you can see online of all the different colors. So check those out. And then also, my first couple hundred subscribers, I'm gonna give away some bumpers for the iPhone 4 and 4S's. You got a black and red. This one's like purple and black, white and blue. I think that's orange, black, and blue and black. So the first, say, 100 subscribers, I'll give one to the first, of their choice. First come, first serve, obviously, on these. So my first 100 subscribers, 200, 300, 400, and 500 subscribers, and then they'll be all given away. So make sure to keep on checking back. Like us on Facebook, and you'll be able to see, who wins, whatever like that. And in the near future, when I get some more subscribers, I will be giving away complete glass sets with front and back color choices. So be sure to keep checking back in, and like us on Facebook. Check us out on iPhonerestoration.com. See ya. Please subscribe.